What's up, everybody? I'm Eddie Dodgen with Cooking is Amazing, and today it's all about Thanksgiving. I've got stuff that I said I would cook for a gathering, so I've got a sweet potato casserole you're going to get to see me make, and also I'm going to do a turkey out on the smoker. But first thing first, we got to brine it. So I'm going to give you my brine recipe, and then I'm also going to show you how I smoke the turkey and how I make this casserole. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you use it this year for your Thanksgiving gatherings. Y'all stay tuned. Alright folks, well that's the simple brine. One thing I did not tell you about is that I added some black peppercorns right after I dumped all the mixture that I had made on the stove, my brine. After I dumped it into the cooler, I added black peppercorns. Well, as you can also tell, that cooler I was using started leaking, so I ended up having to put it in a regular cooler for the night. And I also packed ice on top of this thing all night long. So now that that's done, catch our next video. We're gonna put this turkey, we're gonna inject it, and we're gonna put it out on the smoker. See you then.